Hello everybody, how are you doing? I am working my little tail off on this journal today. So, this is the fourth time I've tried to do this video, and let me put this away. The video that we did, the first one, it went 20 minutes and then the video cut out. And then each video after that just immediately cut out. So I've shut my phone off and turned it back on, kind of reset it. And hopefully this video takes, but we've already made these. So aren't these cute? So I stamped on some fabric here, front and back. Nope, not that one on the back. And then I stamped my sample stamps on these, and I did script on the back. Just loving these. So I want to use these, and this one I kept because it has the number and the number 30, which is my birthday. So and then this, look how pretty that is. I think we should find a place in the journal for that. So we did these. Look at how cute. Look at this vintage lace. Is that not beautiful? It probably should be on the top, but I wanted the pink to shine through. And then on this one, I stamped one of these little key rings, a bird on one side and a butterfly on the other. And then we have some script paper with a date, some lace, and some tulle. So these, I think, will all look so beautiful in the journal. And then here's one. I just love this eyelet. Some tulle and some lace. So the journal, I have stitched it in. Here it is. And we did this on the video. This is some trim, some sequence trim that I have. And I stitched it in with, oh, where'd it go? I done put it away. With this. So, what we were going to do today is find a spot for this. But I thought that I would do a flip out using this envelope, and I'll show you how to do that. But that would look so cute hanging out. We could make that into a little tuck spot. Let's do it. Probably should do this too. So cute. And it goes so well with this paper. And now we have a little tuck spot for a little tag. All right, awesome. So yeah, so that's the journal. I'll do a quick flip through. Got this, I made that into a tuck. Whoops. I just love that center spread. That is so cool, I love that. So there's the first signature. There's the second one that has upper tuck. So we have plenty of pockets in here that we need to fill. Here's a flap that I need to tip in something on that. Pockets here, which I will probably close up, but I wait until I make the tags. And I work on, when I'm working on that. This I'll probably leave for a writing spot. but who knows. This, I haven't decided if I'm going to leave that for a writing spot or cover that. You can let me know in the comments what you think. And then here's the third signature. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I have to cover that. I missed one. Pocket there. Isn't that beautiful? It's Ruby and Pearl, her birds kit. Another pocket there. Pocket there. Flip out. We'll probably do a collage there. Isn't that beautiful? And then we go on to the fourth one. Isn't it beautiful how this book works? Pocket there. Pocket there. And this is done on newsprint paper. This is drawing paper. Left that for writing. Oh, we have that to cover. I should have done a flip through before I bound it in. I have a few spots to cover. That needs to be covered or left for writing. We'll see. And then that. And there you go, back to the front. So this, I thought I would tip in here, and I will show you what we're going to do with it. My desk is a mess, and I don't work well in messes. So we're gonna open this up by just slicing off the ends there. Let me make sure we're still going. Yep. So that's open, and then I like to clean it up some. And then this, I like to be straight as well. It's just me. You can leave it the way it is. But there we go. So we're just gonna collage this. I have a few things out. I have some chapter 1 papers. This is some Ruby and Pearl. I have some girls. I want to use a girl. It's all different papers to do collage. So how's everybody doing today? What are you working on? I'm needing to clean my craft area. I have too many papers. Couple of bins full of scraps. And I need to organize them and put them in one of these. These are awesome. See how they have the gussets and they open up? I got these at the Dollar Tree. And I have a whole bunch that I got from scrapbooking.com. These do not open up. You cannot get very much in it, and you can't see what you have. Yep, scrapbook.com. So I prefer the ones from the Dollar Tree for sure. And I need to get 1 or 2 for my scraps and put my scraps in them. Oh, actually, I could roll that over, glue that down, and then collage on top of it. Let's do that. That'll give it a nice edge. Ugh, getting glue everywhere. Yeah, we can always collage over that, but that gives it a nice edge. And then